Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best Galaxy earbuds for your new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra you can buy Amazon. Samsung Galaxy Buds are a new product by Samsung. They are wireless earbuds that offer hands-free calling, music streaming, and voice control. Galaxy Buds are a great choice for people who want to get the most out of their new phone and enjoy some of the cool features offered by the S22 Ultra. The Buds have a charging case that can charge them up to 9 times on one charge. This means you can use them for hours before they need to be recharged again. The case also has a built-in battery, so if you forget to charge your Buds before you go out, you don't have to worry about it running out of juice. The Galaxy Buds also come with 4 different sizes of ear tips. Samsung Galaxy Buds are wireless earphones that offer a great sound quality. They are also compatible with all major smartphones, and they have a great battery life. Samsung Galaxy Buds are the first wireless earbuds with a built-in translation feature. They can translate between English and Korean, French, Spanish, and Chinese. The Samsung Galaxy Buds are the latest wireless earbuds from Samsung and are considered by many to be the best buds for Samsung S22 Ultra. The Galaxy Buds have a sleek, minimalist design that is both lightweight and comfortable. They come with 2 sets of ear tips in different sizes, so you can find the perfect fit. The Buds are also water resistant, so you can use them without worrying about damaging them if they get wet. So let's go and choose your best Galaxy earbuds for your Galaxy S22 Ultra. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. Galaxy Buds 2. If you're looking for a new Bluetooth earphones, look no further. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 wireless true earbuds with noise cancelling, ambient sound and touch control. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 are crafted to offer a superior wireless experience with cutting-edge technology. With immersive and enriched audio experience, you'll be able to enjoy your music like never before. Designed for comfort and convenience, these earbuds are lightweight, sweat-proof and ergonomically designed for the most comfortable fit. These earbuds are a great option for those looking for a pair of Bluetooth earbuds that offer good sound quality, nice design, and easy to place on your ear. These earbuds work well no matter if you're running or at the gym, meaning you'll always have the music you need to keep going. Galaxy Buds 2 earbuds take your passion for music to new heights with booming sound that makes you feel like you're on stage with your favorite band. Active noise cancellation blocks out unwanted sounds, helping you keep your focus wherever you are. Low latency ambient sound mode picks up the sounds you want to hear, so you always have the perfect audio level for every moment. Best for your Galaxy S22 Ultra. Number 4. Galaxy Buds R170N. Samsung is taking the wireless earbuds game to the next level. With Galaxy Buds, you'll never have to worry about being tethered to your phone again. With a wireless charging case and built-in motion sensors that detect when they're in your ears, these Bluetooth earbuds are designed for people on the go. Listen to your favorite tunes like never before. Now you can jam out in style with these true wireless earbuds from Samsung. These headphones are perfect for listening to music, podcasts, audiobooks, and more whether you're on the go or at home. You can even take calls with them seamlessly. New Galaxy Buds wireless earbuds come with a wireless charging case to give you an even more wireless experience. They're perfect for your new Galaxy S22 Ultra phone and are designed for active lifestyles, so you can enjoy what you do without worrying about forgetting to charge your earbuds. It's backed by a 24-hour battery life, true wireless convenience, and a submersible design, so you can take them anywhere with you. Purchase today and we'll even throw in a free charging case. One full charge provides up to 6 hours of playtime, and the charging case provides up to an additional 7 hours. Number 3. Galaxy Buds Live. Introducing a world of true wireless earbuds, the Samsung Galaxy Buds. This innovative, high-quality wireless earbud features Bluetooth technology, allowing you to enjoy crystal clear audio without the hassle and stress of messy wires. Whether you're listening to your favorite music or making a call, these wireless earbuds have got you covered. Hear your music exactly how it's meant to be heard with the Galaxy Buds. The Galaxy Buds Live True Wireless Earbuds US version is the next big thing in true wireless earbuds. Play up to 4 hours of music with a single charge and up to 8 hours when using the charging case. These earbuds have noise cancelling for the best possible sound quality and feature touch controls for easy control of your smart devices without touching them. Samsung Galaxy Buds are the perfect wireless earbuds for your new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra phone. These headphones are designed with the latest in wireless technology, giving you a more natural sound and a comfortable fit. Hear the difference with Samsung Galaxy Buds, featuring live true wireless earbuds, active noise cancelling, and wireless charging case. Equal parts earbuds and ear bling, Galaxy Buds Live come in 3 colors you'll want to rock all day. Number 2. Galaxy Buds Plus. With the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, get immersive sound and an unmatched wireless experience. Make your commute or workout more enjoyable and stop worrying about wires tangling or dropping out. The Galaxy Buds and wireless charging case are your new perfect match. These earbuds are designed to seamlessly work with your Galaxy S22 Ultra, so you can walk away from your phone without missing a beat. They come with many features like Samsung's voice assistant Bixby, seamless calling and music experience, track playback, answer end calls and volume control. Your favorite Samsung Galaxy Buds are now better than ever. With a brand new look and feel, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus wireless earphones are always ready for action. The sleek and comfortable design provides an all-day listening experience, and their small size makes them perfect for portability. The enhanced sound quality creates a realistic 3D sound field with booming bass, so you can enjoy every beat of your music. Be free to enjoy your music, calls, and more on the go with these true wireless buds that offer Bluetooth 5.0 and a long battery life, which is powered by your Samsung Galaxy S22 or any other phone you might have. Number 1. Galaxy Buds Pro. Get connected to the future with latest in Bluetooth earbuds. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro offers a seamless experience for you that won't stop, even if you're underwater. Listen to your favorite songs or podcasts in comfort and style, working out and going about your day with our noise-canceling technology. With a quality sound, full suite of features, and IP68 water resistance, these buds are perfect for your Galaxy S22 Ultra or any other phone. You deserve to hear your music the way it was intended. The new Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro are the perfect wireless earbuds for your Galaxy S22 Ultra phone. Our high-quality sound, noise cancelling, and Bluetooth technology make traveling, running and workouts so much more enjoyable. Get the juice you need to jam for hours, wireless charging case is included, and you can also share your phone's battery by placing your earbuds on the back of your compatible Galaxy device for on-the-go charging. Control your playlist without reaching in your pocket, skip songs, launch music and answer calls simply by tapping your buds so you can stay in the moment. Relive the memories of every beat of your favorite song with an 11mm woofer and 6.5mm tweeter built into every earbud. Your IPX7 water-resistant Galaxy Buds Pro can keep the beat going even with a little rain. They're even protected for immersion up to 3 feet deep for a half hour.